Hello friends, welcome to Bright Brain. Today we shall be discussing the fifth chapter in the grade 7 syllabus, acids and bases. Ooh, chemicals. Well, what are acids and bases? Have we ever come across this in our lives? Phew, who am I kidding? Of course we all have. Shall we recall a problem we face because of acids? Well, how about when we eat too much junk food? Or not eat at all, skip breakfast and stuff? Yes, tummy hurts and a whole lot of problems. What do we call it? Yes, gastritis. And what is gastritis? It is the acidity in the stomach. So, that's an example for acid. And there are many more acids. Guess what else is an acid? Lime juice, which we all love, is also an acid. Acids are generally sour, but don't go tasting them in the school laboratory. So, acids are not always harmful, but it depends on the acid and the concentration of it. If it is a strong acid, then it is harmful, but if it is weak, not so much. Well then, that's an introduction for acids. And now let's move on to bases.
Aha!
Again, let's recall gastritis. I know that it hurts, but what can we do to cure it? Generally, we call the medicine milk of magnesia, also known as magnesium hydroxide. This is a base and it neutralizes the acidity in the stomach. So, bases are the opposite of acids. And guess what else is a base? Any guesses? Well, soap. Soap is a base indeed. Bases generally have slimy nature. So now we've come to know that we live among chemicals and we use it very often in our day-to-day life. But hold on a second. Are they the only substances? Nope. We have neutral substances as well. For example, water. It is neutral, meaning it is neither an acid nor a base. As I stated earlier, the substances are divided into three main categories: acids, bases, and neutral substances. But how can we identify them? You can't always touch or taste the substance in order to test if it is an acid or a base. So we use indicators to test it. The solutions or things that give different colors with acids and bases are known as indicators. We use several indicators for this purpose, but today we shall discuss some of them. They are litmus papers, pH papers, phenolphthalein indicators, and methyl orange indicators. Litmus papers. Litmus papers are of two colors, blue and red. They indicate if the substance is an acid or a base by changing colors. If a red litmus paper is dipped into an acid, the color does not change. But if it is dipped into a base, it will turn into blue color. As for blue litmus papers, if it is dipped into an acid, it will turn into a red color, and if it is dipped into a base, the color does not change. The next indicator which we are about to discuss is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein does not change color when it is added into an acid. But if it is added into a base, the solution turns pink in color. As a method orange, it turns red with acids and remains yellow with bases. pH papers. pH papers are quite interesting and more accurate. This is used to indicate the strength of the acid or base. The pH scale is from 1 to 14. 1 represents very strong acid while 14 represents very strong base. While pH value 7 indicates neutral substances. Study this image more to understand further about pH values. These are the indicators which is used in laboratories. Now let us discuss some indicators which can be found in the natural environment. Some of them are shoe flower boiled water, extraction of giritilla flowers, extraction of nilkataralu flowers, arecanut boiled water, turmeric boiled water, and red cabbage boiled water. Well folks, that's the end of the lesson. Today we discussed about acids, bases, neutral substances, indicators used in the laboratory, and natural indicators. Let's meet again in the next video. Till then, like, share, subscribe, and leave us your valuable comments. Thank you.